Hello guys. Welcome to our brand new cooking channel, Anushy Kitchen. I'm Anushy, and I am absolutely thrilled to have you join me today as we embark on this exciting culinary journey together. This channel is going to be your go-to destination for mouth-watering recipes and helpful cooking tips. I've always believed that cooking is not just about making food, it's about creating memories, sharing love, and expressing creativity. And that's exactly what Anushy Kitchen is all about. We'll dive into a world of flavors, exploring a wide range of cuisines, from traditional family favorites to modern twists on classic recipes. So get ready to embark on this delicious journey with me. And please support me and become a member of my YouTube family by subscribing my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will never miss an update.